Ladies and gentlemen, it is 2025 and building an AI agent business with 95% profit margins is finally within reach, even if you've never written a line of code or have no AI experience. I was able to achieve this with an AI agent business model to make a client $56,000 in 3 days, whilst I made $15,020 profit from the deal. So here's what I'm seeing out there at the moment. The usual digital service plays, SMMA, media buying, and even most AI automation offers are becoming quite difficult to scale as the market is maturing. Clients have been burnt so many times and are becoming less interested in complicated systems or talk of infrastructure. They only care about new customers and real dollars landing in their accounts. That's where traditional services and infrastructure bills are struggling. They look impressive, but they don't deliver fast, measurable cash flow without a ton of effort from yourself. Now, I managed to sidestep this in 2024 by switching to a simpler outcome-first model. It's called AI activation agents. One of our clients, Victoria, who runs a business in Sydney, made $56,000 in 3 days with activation agents. No ads, a 2-hour setup from our team, and 0 humans involved in the sales process. We plugged her database into a text and voice agent stack, flipped the switch, and whilst I was out hitting some balls at the driving range, 40K of bookings rolled in, plus an extra $16,000 overnight. So the total cost to run this campaign was just under $1,000, and we got a 56x in just under 3 days. So here's exactly what I did for Victoria. I exported her entire CRM. This included of 1,306 names, emails, and phone numbers, and I added it to our 3-layer AI stack. Number one, we sent 1,306 activation agents via text and phone to re-engage every one of those leads. Number two, once they replied, we pushed them into what we call a dopamine conversion funnel to secure a commitment, and the agents were online for support the whole time. Number three, those same agents then followed up, answered questions, locked in bookings, and walked clients to the door. You see, my pricing was straightforward. $2,000 access fee plus 25% of the revenue the agents generated. 3 days later, the business cleared $56,000, so I pocketed roughly $14K on top of the access fee. Again, no ads, no humans, no complexity. Victoria was happy with the result, and I was happy with the margin that we received. Now, if this is making sense for you and you're ready to try it for yourself, this is the play. I'm opening up a private network called the Founding 500. Entry is via a matrix key, which is a unique numbered key that unlocks the activation agent system. And inside you'll access the scripts, the tech stack, the videos, and weekly calls where my team and I will actually help you polish your first activations together. Again, without a key, there is no access, and each key is numbered. So when all 500 keys are claimed, that is it. If you'd like one, add yourself to the waitlist below, and I'll let you know as soon as the keys go live. Now, for clarity, here is the 5-step activation system that we use to create this result. Step 1, Victoria completed our onboarding form in about 37 minutes. And that single form gave us the information that we needed, including CRM access. And we then took that CRM access and exported her 1,306 contacts of names, emails, and phone numbers into our system. Step 2, our delivery team of 2 brilliant VA teammates in the Philippines spent exactly 2 hours cloning the activation agent stack for her business. It's the same stack we run every time, which is CloseBot for text agents, Retail AI for voice, Data Quantix for tracking, GT Metrics, and Crazy Egg for funnel conversions, Typeform to shift leads from a logical to emotional state, Short IO for tracking, My CRM Sim for sending free messages, Google Sheets for sales tracking, Leadsy for permissions, and Make.com to combine all the data together. Now, all integrations are connected through our white label GHL software, which we call Oasis. We just tweak a few fields, design a few graphics, hit save, and we are done. Step 3, running through our revenue rack. So instead of paying Twilio thousands of dollars, we sent messages through our revenue rack. This is what we call our rack of physical phones that lets us send automated WhatsApp and SMS messages at virtually no cost. So this is how we're able to maintain a 95% margin for our campaigns. And internally, we actually refer to these revenue racks as our money printers. Step 4 is launching, testing, and refining. We opened with a 100 contact test batch to check early conversions. One quick tweak to the opener and we were good to go. So at Thursday at 7 p.m, we ended up unleashing the agents to the full list. And again, while I was at the driving range, they texted, called, and booked in clients. Step 5 is profit. 3 days later, the clinic cleared $56,000 in bookings. Total cost in API and software was just under $1,000, and my share was $14,020 plus $2,000, so a total profit of $15,020. Data in, money out, fast, easy, scalable. So here is why the activation agent model wins every time. First, it solves the client's pain right now. They want new customers and they want leads to start booking in with hours, not weeks. Second, zero ad spend. We use the data they already own, so they're not wasting time and money on ads. That gives us a predictable ROI, and Stripe payments usually land within a client's account inside 48 hours. Because you're the one dropping money into their account, they see you as a revenue partner and not just another software guy or AI guy. And the beautiful thing is this system works in any service niche. If they have a list, the system can be tweaked to get results. Finally, the build is of low complexity and scales infinitely. Clone the stack, plug it into the next client, and the revenue rack does the rest. If you're still pitching SMMA retainers, media buying, or one-size-fits-all AI builds, this model will put you to sleep. With activation agents, you sell pure cash results, get paid on performance, pocket the upfront fee, and scale without the usual headaches. As mentioned earlier, I'm opening the Founding 500 network. In just a few weeks, each approved member will receive a numbered matrix key that will unlock all of the playbooks, templates, and a tech stack walkthrough, along with weekly live sessions where my team and I will help you build your first activations together. No matrix key, no entry. Keys are extremely limited to only 500, each with a unique number. So if you want in, just click the link below and add yourself to the waitlist, and I will let you know the moment the keys go live.